Today, I'm sharing simple udon noodle soup. If you're tired or not feeling your best and want something warm and comforting, this soup is a great choice. It's gentle, cozy, and ready in 15 minutes. This simple noodle soup has just 3 parts: the toppings, the soup, and the noodles. Each part is prepared separately, and you put everything together when you're ready to eat. That also makes it great for meal prep on busy weekdays. First, prepare your toppings. I'm keeping it very simple today. I have this long scallion, so I'm chopping it for the topping. Then I grate a little fresh ginger to go with it. Ginger gently warms you from the inside, which makes it perfect for a cozy noodle soup. I'll show you more toppings ideas later. Next, let's make the soup. This is a light dashi-based broth with soy sauce. Add water, mirin, soy sauce, and dashi powder to a pot. Mix everything together and bring it to a gentle boil over medium heat. I'm using a bonito flake dashi powder, but you can use any broth you like. For a vegetarian option, kombu dashi powder works well too. You can also use store-bought mentyu, which is a ready-made noodle soup base. You can find it at Japanese grocery stores. Once it stirs to boil, lower the heat. Taste the soup and adjust if needed. If it's too light, add a little salt. If it's too salty, dilute it with water. Then the soup is ready. The last step is to prepare the udon noodles. I'm using refrigerated udon noodles. They are already cooked, so you just need to warm them up. You can briefly boil them in plenty of water or heat them according to the package instructions. Frozen udon works well too. Once heated, drain the noodles and rinse them under running water to remove any excess starch. When everything is ready, place the udon noodles in a bowl. Pour the hot soup over the noodles. Top with scallions and grated ginger. And here is your simple udon noodle soup. Now, if you like to add more toppings, here are some easy options you can try. Kamaboko is a mild fish cake that adds a little protein and a gentle flavor. Wakame is dried seaweed. Just soak it in water to rehydrate it. It's a very common ingredient in Japanese soups. A soft-boiled egg called onsen tamago makes the soup more filling and extra comforting. Shichimi togarashi is a Japanese spice blend. If you like a bit of heat, sprinkle some on top for extra warmth. If you're looking for an easy, comforting noodle soup, give this one a try. It comes together in about 15 minutes with simple ingredients. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more simple Japanese home cooking.